It's Jen Thoden with YourColorStyle.com, and in this video we're going to do a deep dive into the Bright and Warm Color Fan, what it is, how to use it, and more importantly, who should be using the Bright and Warm Color Fan. So let's first talk about a couple words. Bright, and what that means is that the colors in the color fan are of clear chroma, meaning that they're not muted or grayed, they're pure. And then you add black to darken and white to lighten. Someone who uses this color fan is someone that can really wear those bright colors very well and just brings them to life. If you are not someone that should wear those colors, wearing a bright color will wear you and be way too strong. Okay, so that's why it's called bright. And just to give you a quick example, when you're looking at blue, on the left is a clear blue. It is clear chroma, not muted or grayed. And on the right is the same blue, but it is muted and softened. Okay, so the color fan will be for clear chroma colors, bright and warm. Warm because this fan is for someone with warm undertones. Inside the color fan, each page has a full range of a color. So, for example, on this particular strip is the reds. And what you'll see here is the letter C, which is about in the middle of the strip, is the brightest and purest of the hue of the color. And then you add black to darken and white to lighten. So you have the full range of colors. And I'm going to show you a little bit later in this video how you would wear those colors. Which ones should you wear based on your natural coloring and tone? Also in this color fan are your neutrals. So in the back of the color fan are 5 pages that have the ideal neutrals for someone with warm undertones. And then there are the lipstick colors. Now, they're not labeled lipstick colors in the fan, but in the Bright and Warm Color Fan, there are 3 pages that have colors that are ideal for your lipstick colors. And these are the Tomato Reds, which is the number 2, the True Reds, which is number 1, and their Pinks, which is number 0 in the color fan. So who can use this color fan? So I'm going to now show you a lot of examples of individuals, lots of photos that will give you an idea of who should be wearing this color fan and how to use it, okay? So let's start out with someone who is bright, warm, and light. Now light means that they have light eyes, light skin, and light hair. And they can handle the bright colors, they have warm undertones, but they can only wear the lighter colors best. So when you look at the strip, for someone who is bright, warm, and light, you would wear colors that are up to the letter C. B and A may be too dark for you. Here's another example of someone who is bright, warm, and light. Very light hair, eyes, and skin. Bright, warm, and medium is someone who has a little bit more medium in depth, a little bit more darkness to them. So the hair is about medium dark, or the eyebrows are. And again, they can handle those bright colors and they have warm undertones. Here's another person who is a good example of bright, warm, and medium. She has medium dark hair and eyebrows. Now, she has enough depth where it might even lean a little bit more into deep. She's kind of someone that might be in between. So when you look again at the page of colors, someone who is medium would wear colors up to the B level here. A still might be a little bit too dark. And then let's talk about someone who is bright, warm, and deep. This is someone who has very deep eyes and deep hair. Here's another good example of someone who is bright, warm, and deep. Deep eyes, deep hair. Doesn't necessarily mean you have darker skin. You could have fairer skin than the examples that I'm showing you. And someone who is deep can wear the colors that is up to the letter A, the very dark colors. But with someone with warm undertones, I recommend that you don't wear the F, the lightest of the strip, for someone who is deep. It actually might be too light and not really in harmony and kind of look a little pale and dull on you. So from E to A for someone who has the darker tones. And that is the Bright and Warm Color Fan. You can find that at colorfans.com. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're still trying to figure out what colors look best on you, take the quiz that's out on yourcolorstyle.com. It's absolutely free and it will walk you through step by step to help you figure out what colors will look best on you.